Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Hubspot to your Webflow site, whether you want to embed a form or send leads automatically to your CRM. First, search Hubspot in Google and click on the first link that pops up. And in your Hubspot dashboard, go to Marketing and click on Forms. After that, you're going to click on Create a Form. And this right here is your form. You can access the form that you created here in this dashboard and click on Actions and then Share. After that, click on the embed code and click on Copy. Now you're going to want to access your website here in Webflow. Click on the site that you choose. And from Webflow, click on Add Element, then type on Embed. You can click this code embed right here, but it says that you can only access this feature with a paid Webflow account or an active site plan. If you have either one of those, you can drag an embed element into the section where you want the form, paste the Hubspot code, and hit Save and Close. Your form is now live on your site. And that's it. Easy as that. You can now connect your Hubspot to Webflow, embed your forms, or automate your leads in just minutes. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more.